Simply put, the more money you have, the more you can do. So the more money you have, the more products you can launch, the more marketing you can do, the more tests you can run. So more is better. You can put, however, one product into Amazon Australia, FBA or otherwise. You can put one product in. So theoretically, you could get started selling on Amazon Australia for $50. So the cost of your first month's FBA fees, so seller fees, plus the cost of your product to purchase, you could get started selling on Amazon for $50, mate. Is that enough? No, it's not enough. Not by a long shot. However, theoretically, you absolutely could get started for $50. But as a better indication, I would say $500 would get you started on Amazon Australia, no dramas at all. And that's, of course, going to be dictated by what it is you choose to sell, what is the cost of that product. So if you're selling rabbit hutches that cost $65 a unit to buy from China, for instance, and you sell them at $200 a unit, then there's only so many rabbit hutches you can buy for your $500. However, if your product costs 50 cents, then clearly you can buy a lot more of your product for 50 cents. So that's going to be dictated by that too, Mike. Hope that helps, mate.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.